Okay. Good morning, students. Again, I welcome you all for this new video on MATLAB, where we will be learning how to generate plots, how to generate 2D and 3D plots using MATLAB. So, as I told you, MATLAB is a very powerful tool where you can make use of MATLAB for plotting lot of graphs. Either it might be a 2D graph or a 3D graph. So, whenever you are doing some projects, etc., where you have done some experimentation and you need to plot it, and you need to show what is x-axis, y-axis, and different line types, etc. So MATLAB is one powerful tool where you can beautifully plot different sorts of graphs. So now in this lecture video, we will try to understand how to plot graphs. Okay, so there are commands available where I showed you. There are a lot of commands. So the first command is what is called as plot of x comma y, where x is an independent variable, y is a dependent variable. So x is independent, you can define, y is dependent on y, any function or anything. So if you just try to use the command plot of x comma y, so it's a vector and a vector, both should be a vector. So both will be a vector, so you can try to do it. So it is x-axis, y-axis, and you can try to do line type, etc. You can edit the graph, etc., etc. You can do a lot of things. Okay, let us, without wasting time, get into it. So I will try to take a fresh screen here. Okay, now see here. Uh, Let us try to take. Already, I think I've showed you in the introduction this thing. Say x equal to. I'll try to define with something, that is, say minus 5 is to 0.1 is to 5. That means what? So my column vector is been starting from -1 ending with 5 plus 5, and the intervals are 0.1. Okay. Okay, I did not type it in editor window, I have typed it in a command window. It's okay, I'll copy it here. So it is always a good practice to type it in editor window, so that you can see, you can go back and try to edit it anywhere time you want, but in command window it will go off. Okay, so always try to type it in editor window. Okay, if editor window is not directly available, go here, add, you can give script. You can see here script, click onto the script, you're going to get an editor window if it is not available. Okay, so let us see what is that we are going to get here. So if I just try to run it, okay, I'll try to save it as graphs. So it is giving you huge number. Okay, so I'll put semicolon now. Already I've seen this. Now say y equal to sine of x. Okay, again for every value of x it is calculating y. I'll put again semicolon, I don't want to see it. So here I'll put CLC. Okay, I'll clear the screen. Ega enter. Now say I'll give plot of what is the independent variable x comma y, bracket close. So can you see this? So plot of x comma y, we got this plot. Now what are the changes that we can do this plot? For this plot, say you have, see here, please see this page number 12. If you just try to type like this, I'll go to this thing. Say plot of x comma y. See, close the bracket like this, open like this, and if you give R, and close it like this, what is that you can expect? So let us try to run it. So I'll close this first, I'll run it. See, initially the line was black or blue, now it started with, it changed to red color. So if you want to change it, you can give R, means red, B means blue, K means black. Okay, so like that you can change the color. Now suppose I want to change the line type. So what is that you can do? See, dash dash. So you can try to give here only. See here, you can give like this if you give. So if you again run it, you can see that, see, it has changed it like this. In the place of dash dash, suppose say you type dot dot. Okay, it is showing a, error. It is not there, I feel. Okay, just give dot. Yeah. Can you see? So anything you want, you can give it there. Okay, this is about line type and color. Now suppose say I'll change it with K. See, black color. Suppose say I'll change it with B. So what it became? So please check it out here, blue color. Is it okay, guys? So like this you can give. Now I'll remove it. I'll make it R. So let it be a solid line. Okay, let it be like this. Now what is the other things? So line width, you can type line width comma 2. So you can increase the line width or decrease the line width. So how to give that? You can see here. You can give comma here after this. Open single inverted comma. Again you close it. Again you give comma, you give 2. Again comma. See, like this you give, however it is there. Now let us try to run it, how the things will be. See, it became thicker. Okay, the thickness is increased. Suppose say I type it 5. Okay, line width. Now like that, marker size. If you want marker, 2 3 values are there. Okay, that I'll take it later. So again you can give marker size and give whatever size you want. Now how do we give the x and y values to it? Suppose say, okay, I'll just go back to this 2. Say plot it. You have a graph. Is it okay? Now I want to type what is x and what is y. So one thing is you can directly go to the graph here, insert x label. Can you see here? You type x and insert y label. You can type y equal to sine of x. Is it okay? So once this graph is done, you can also save it. How do you save it? Go to file, save as. So here MATLAB figure is there. Now you can change it to JPEG or bitmap or TIFF, whatever image you want. You can just try to save it, give the file name, and you can save it in whatever way you want. Okay. So these are the things. Again, you can insert lot of things: legends, color bar, line, arrow, double text. Whatever you want, text box. You can try to type it here. So lot of things you can do with that graph. Is it okay, guys? So this is one command. Now there is one more command called fplot. So what do you mean by this fplot? Say you have mentioned the function and immediately you have mentioned I want this to be plotted, means whatever the function and the x between -3 to 3. So let us try to give the same thing. Please write down this somewhere. I'll try to give the same thing. What is this? X squared plus 4 sine of 2x minus 1. So this is our f. And what are the x? It is from -3 to 3. Let us try to give fplot and this, and we will see what is we are going to get. So close this, go here, enter. Now one more thing guys, please understand, if you give percentage here, then this line will not be considered for as a, this line will just take it as a comment. This will not be included as a programming thing. So whenever you want to dummy any line, you please give percentage. Is it okay? So this I have just made it as a dummy thing. So give enter. So directly I give f plot of single thing, single inverted comma, x square plus 4 into sine of 2 into x sine 2x minus 1. Hello, Appa. So this is a function. Now what are the intervals that you want? So again put a comma there. So like whatever that is being shown here, please try to type it like that. Okay, open square bracket minus 3 space 3. Shall we try to run it and close the bracket without forgetting? Let us try to run. What is that we are going to get? C. Okay, so it is showing me some error here. 1 second. Okay, I think there was a mistake here. So I had just left out this 4. So it was just a star. That's why it was not showing this thing. So you can just type it like this. Okay. So if I just run it, you can say I'll get a graph. So with only one command, I can just type both function as well as. So you can see it is between minus 3 to 3. It has chosen inside, in between minus 3 to 3, it has chosen the values and it is shown how the function is behaving. Is it okay, guys? So like this, you can use fplot command. Again, here you can give line type, etc., etc. So please try to see the index, the this thing. Now one more manual. The one more thing is, what if I want to say I want to plot too many graphs, and in one graph itself, too many graphs have to be plotted in one this thing itself. So how do we do that? So I will take an example of this itself. So you can see here x is minus 2 to 4. So let us try to take the same thing. So I will try to make this as comment. So we don't want to delete it. Let it be like that only. Say I'll take x equal to square bracket open minus 2, say shift this thing 0.01, shift is to 4, correct? Now I'll define, I'll give like semicolon here. I'll define y, function y equal to 3x 3x cube minus 26x plus 6. So y equal to 3 into x cube. So 3 dot into 3 into ಮಾಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ 3 into x dot to the power of, so be careful with the x dot to the power of cube, correcta, minus 26 into x minus 26x plus 6. So I am putting again semicolon here. So this is the y. So what if I do differentiation? So enter. So I'll type it as yd, that is one time differentiation equal to. So what will happen, guys? 3x cube will be what? 9x squared, no? So it is 3 3 is a 9. 9 into x dot to the power of 2 minus 26, correcta? This will be yd. Is it okay? Now please put a semicolon for this. So these are the two graphs. Now what is that I want is, say, plot of x comma y. Okay, now you just see here, what is that I'll get? I have got this graph y equal to x comma y. Now with this graph only I want to plot what is the differentiation graph will become. So for that what I'll do is, you please give enter here, hold on, you just type the command hold on. So you give enter, again you give after that yd, plot of x comma yd. So now if you run it, you can see two graphs are same. Two graphs are obtained in one shot. So like that, if you have one more thing, YDD, again you give hold on and you give hold off. So like that. So like that, you can keep on giving whatever you want. Is it okay? So this is all about 2D graphs. So and the use of hold on and hold off commands. Okay, you can change the line type and all. Please look into the manual. Now coming to 3D plots. Now I'll just take one example and try to show how the 3D plots are shown. It is again there in the uh, manual. You can just try to simply do it, not a problem. So 3D plots. So let us try to do 3D plots. Now I'm going to take one more file here. I'll take this example itself, not a problem. Say t, I have varied from 0 to 6 pi. So let us vary that. Say t equal to, so 0 is to 0.1 is to 6 pi. 6 into pi. So let us give here CLC. Everything is clear. Okay. Let us put a semicolon. So you need not have to use now the semicolon, the square bracket also. See here. Okay, 3D graphs. I'll put like 3D graph. Nodi, ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Okay. I think I should give something else. T equal to, okay, let us try to give bracket. Okay, we'll try to save the name. Okay. Rename. new graph. So this will give some okay. Now if you remove this also, so sometimes file name will also be a problem. Okay, so please be careful. So you can see here CLC, even though you need not have to put the bracket also, I'm getting answer. Okay, do you see that? So okay, fine. So next, so you please put a semicolon to this. So the next thing is, say I am defining xy. So what is x? Square root of t into sine of 2t. Square root of t, you can see here, root t into sine of 2t. Again, y equal to root t into cos 2t. So that you would please type it here, x equal to sqrt of t into, so dot into, you should put dot into sine of t. Alvanapa, nodili, dot into sine of 2t, sine of 2t, sorry. Similarly, y equal to sqrt of t dot into cos of t, cos of 2 into t. So we have defined x, we have defined y, we want to define z also because it is a 3D graph, no? So z equal to, what is the third function? The third function is 0.5 times t. Okay, 0.5 times t. Again you give this. Now we have defined all the three. Now how do we plot it? There is a command called plot 3. Plot 3 defines what? Plot 3 is used for 3D graphs. So x comma y comma z, you just have to give x comma y comma z, that's it. Enter plot 3 of x comma y comma z, close ಮಾಡಿ. Now if you just give run, what is going to happen? See how beautifully you got it. Now if I want to now add grid to this and thickness, etc., you can do all those things. So you can give enter here and give grid on. Now you can just see how this thing changes. See, now in this plot itself I'm going to change it, comma, single inverted comma, say you give r, single inverted comma, close, again you give comma, single inverted comma, and you give line width, you give 3 and close it. Let us see what is that it's going to be. See, little thickness is increased with red letter, with red color. How do we do it? So this is how we can plot it. Now please see, plot 3 is not the only option. You have so many things. You have so many things. And how do we give x label, y label, z label? That's it. Okay. So if you want to label it, you can give enter, x label, label, bracket, you can give single inverted comma, x. Okay. Again you can give the semicolon. Again you can give y label. Even you can use this thing in single plot, 2D plot also you can use. Similarly you can give y, bracket close, semicolon, again z label, bracket, z. So now if you just see what is going to happen, see x, y, z. So in place of x, y, z, if you want to type anything, you can type in between single inverted commas. Okay guys, So like this you have to use. So with respect to plot 3, you have so many things: mesh of x comma y comma z, surface of x comma y comma z. See, I'll just try to type it instead of plot 3. I'll just type surf. So what is it I'm going to get? Okay, that we cannot use it. Z must be a matrix. So it is asking here. So might be this uh, the Z matrix will be the problem. Okay, we cannot directly use it. So for that again you can see here you can try to type it like this and you can get the surface plot. Okay, so okay, I'll just show this and I'll try to conclude this video. So you can select everything and you can right click on it and give comment. So all these lines will not be executed. So just try to type this first. Say x is varying from -1 to 3, interval of 0.1. So x equal to -1 to 3 with the interval of 0.1. Correct apa? Next you see here y is 1 to 4. Enter you give y is equal to 1 to 4 alva. 1 is to 0.1 is to 4. Then you have to type like this: x of y equal to mesh grid of x comma y. So whatever it is there, capital X comma y, please try to type it. So square bracket open here, capital X comma capital Y. So this is the way in which you should give. This is the syntax. That's it. So which is equal to what? Mesh grid anta command ಇದೆ. Just try to type it. Mesh grid of x comma y. Okay, mesh grid of x comma y. Next, you define z. What is z? xy square divided by x squared plus y squared. Okay, so try to define that. Say capital Z equal to xy squared. Capital X now, don't give for small x because already you have converted it. Xy squared, x into y. So x dot into y again into dot to the power square. Xy squared dot divided by xy squared divided by x squared plus y squared. X squared plus y dot to the power square. So let us only run this and see whether we are getting z value or not. So we are getting z value. Okay, mesh grid also we got it. Not a problem. Aitapa. Now what we do, please give CLC to this. Now try to type mesh of x comma y comma z. Then you can use whatever it is, whatever value you want, or you can type surface. I'll just show you now. If I now run it, wait, what is that it is showing? Mesh of x comma y comma z. Okay, here it is. Small mistake. Even small mistake also. It is. See here. Can I get it? Can you see this? How do we getting it? Now, if I now change it from mesh to surface, SURF, surf of anta kotre, you can just see the type of graph is different. So there are different commands. That's it. Okay, surf, mesh, etc., etc. Contour is also there. Say I'll give there is one more command called contour plot. ಇಲ್ಲಿ surf of x, y, z ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು if you can give contour plot. surf C anta kottare. See what is going to happen is surf C anta kodi ashte. A different thing. Okay, so like this you have, please go through this table. You have lot of options to go for, different type of surface plots, especially 3D plots, whichever that is feasible for you and whichever that is required for you. You can use this. You can use whichever suits your, your analysis or your problem, etc., etc. Try to do it. So this is an exercise already, everything I've shown. Sorry. So please try to solve this exercise. It is same. I need not have to show it. Already I have shown how to type all this XYZ in the previous video. Only thing you have to give plot command, that also I have showed in this video. Please try to solve this problem. So you have 5, 6 okay, around 8 problems are there. Please try to solve these problems. Okay, thank you.